Muting notifications on your Samsung Galaxy S24 allows you to manage digital stress by reducing distractions from constant alerts. You can customize your settings to mute all notifications or just those from specific apps, giving you control over what you see and when. To mute all notification sounds on your Galaxy S24, follow these steps. Swipe down from the top of the screen twice to reveal the quick settings panel. Tap the sound icon to toggle it off. This simple procedure will mute all notification sounds on your phone, allowing you to enjoy some peace and quiet. If you want to mute notifications for specific apps only, follow these steps. Open the Settings app. Tap on Notifications. Tap App Notifications to see all apps. Scroll down and find the app you want to mute and tap on it. Once found, toggle the Allow Notification switch to the off position. This will block all notifications coming from the app, helping you focus on what matters most. If you still want to receive notifications but without the usual notification sound, you can choose to silence the apps. Enable the notification. Choose Silent for the app's notifications. The notifications for this app may continue to show, but you won't hear the usual notification sound, reducing potential distractions. Alternatively, you can also enable Do Not Disturb so that you won't receive notifications for a specific period of time without changing anything on your phone. This feature can be particularly useful during meetings, study sessions, or when you just need some downtime. We hope this tutorial can help you tailor your Samsung Galaxy S24 to your needs and preferences. Thanks for watching.